Alay guys, punta kayo dito. Meron tayong bagong gagawin. Meron akong nabiling upgrade. Hindi yung gulong guys, tapos na tayo dyan. Eto guys. Eto. Alright, unbox natin. Habang lunch break pa. Eto guys, na upgrade is aprobado ni Mrs. So no need to worry. Actually, siya nga yung pumili eh. Yun, no? Stainless steel, fuel view, window panel for car. Parang hindi to tama. Teka ha. Sige, buksan na natin. Very safe yung packaging kasi may ano pa siya, support na kahoy. Parang splint. So this is from China. I bought this sa Shopee. So if you want this, merong mga options. Check the link below. Buksan na natin. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Eto na guys. Alright. Yun, no? Ito yung laman. Merong mga cleaning material kasi ididikit natin to. And then ito, yung adhesive niya or yung pandikit. Very nice. Ang dami pa naman ito guys, oh. So actually guys, ito is para sa window trims. Ito yung para sa harap. Sagad siya dyan. Tapos sagad rin dito. Ayan. Alright. So bago yan, kunin natin yung mga panlinis. Adhesion promoter. So adhesion promoter. So you mean pampadikit. Okay? Ah, okay. I see. May amoy siya guys, parang amoy rugby. I thought panlinis. So promoter pala siya. Baka mahay tayo nito. Delikado. Okay? So ito guys, tanggalin na natin yung pandikit. I hope I am doing this right. So dapat sakto lang. Fit muna natin yan. Yun. Tapos idiin natin. Ayan guys, oh. Gumamit tayo ng basahan. Medyo basa siya. Basahan nga eh, basa yun. Diba? Para mas dumikit siya or madiin natin. I would like to share with you one of the reasons kung bakit napaisip akong lagyan to. Kasi ito, accidentally, napunit. And then dito sa kabila, ito rin, may damage siya. Ito guys, oh. Ayan. So medyo may damage. And then, ito medyo nagdi-discolor na siya. Or para medyo pumuputi. Kaya, lagyan na lang natin. So, ayan guys, natapos na natin i-install yung mga silver linings sa window trims. So, babalikan natin ito mamaya sa pagtanggal sa mga cover. Or, I will have my wife the honor to peel it off. Or, susupresahin ko siya mamaya. Alright, so that's it. I'll share some photos or videos sa mga final results nito. So, I'll see you later. Alright guys, good morning. Eto guys, andito si Caleb. Hi Caleb. Wow. So just like I said yesterday, after installing this, I will have my wife to peel it off. It's the unboxing part. Caleb, look at mommy. Look at.
Here, yeah, oh. Look at sticker kaya. Sticker.
Look at that.
I'm gonna take it off.
Mommy is removing it. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at that. You like it, kuya? Wow.
Oh, yeah.
More gloss. Look at kuya. You like it more?
Stop.
Wow. Grabe. Itong part na to is my wife's request. Ito talaga yung gusto niya na meron tong mga verticals. Kasi yung sa akin, ito lang sana, yung outer. May dalawa pa. Wow. Ayan guys. So this is it. So ayan guys, oh. Very nice. Nice. I'll help you. Okay? You peel it off. This one. This part here. This one. Okay? You peel it off. Oh. Nice. The other one. This one. Pull. 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 Two hands. Two hands. Come on. Whoa. Nice. Careful. This one, pull it off. Wow. Wow. Strong, strong, strong.
Strong, Caleb.
Yes! So ayan guys, oh. So ito yung finished product na meron na siyang silver linings. Ayan. So itong verticals, my wife's request. So ayan guys, that's the end of this upgrade. And my tip para sa inyo is, when you do an upgrade, include your wife para ma-approve. So ayan, thank you for watching. It's your Ingenieron Choper. I'll see you on my next vlog. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.